Hello everyone, in this video I will explain to you how you can use keyframes in CapCut for PC and also how you can zoom in and out using those keyframes. As you can see on my timeline, I'm having a simple video footage uploaded in the video slot number 1. And if I want to add some keyframes on it, I have to highlight it. Then I'm going further in the timeline, I'm selecting the period where I want to add the keyframe. I'm selecting this diamond next to scale. This is gonna create our first keyframe. So I'm highlighting it and I'm highlighting also the position. Then I'm going further in the timeline and now I'm gonna create my second keyframe. So instead of selecting the keyframe, the diamond, I'm just gonna change the position and the values of that settings. And that I mean is by changing the values of scaling and the position. That way my second keyframe is being automatically placed on the timeline. After setting up the position which I want, I can move further in the timeline and then selecting these keyframes. This is the third keyframes and they're until where we want this duration of the size and position gonna be. And now I'm making my fourth keyframe, resetting all the settings. And now when I play it through, you can see that it's gonna zoom from the first keyframe, it's gonna hold between the second and third keyframe, and from the third and fourth keyframe, it's gonna zoom out. Once again, I'm previewing from first until the second keyframe, it is slowly zooming in, and from the second and the third keyframe, it's holding that position, and from the third and the fourth keyframe, it is zooming out again. I hope this video was helpful, thanks for watching and see you in the next one.